what I want to show you here is basically just cover some of the most important things and how basically you could run your network more efficiently. We have a lot of top customers who are really doubling down on tags. And I mentioned an example of one of the marketing executives who said literally this to me: hey, Ved, I basically synced all my contacts and then I tagged my network appropriately with my marketing tags, because the guy's running an exciting community, and then he tagged everybody, etc. And he's like, the 10-15% that are left that didn't ended up having a tag, I just removed, right? So this is something very exciting, and I want to show and talk more about it. But to begin with, we do have something that's called automated tags. And these are the tags. Whenever you log into LeadDelta, we sync your connections, and we will show this new connection tag that will last for 7 days. So you can always filter for that tag. Even if I do it right now, these are primarily my connections that I added in the last 7 days, right? But we have tags such as LeadDelta removed, LinkedIn removed. These are connections that either you removed through LeadDelta or were removed through LinkedIn. You also have prospect, CSV imported, and so much more, right? So this is one type of tags, what we call automated tags. But then there's another group of tags that are part of our Kanban functionality. Now, the Kanban functionality has columns, okay? And each of these columns, active workspace, monthly to annual one, influencers, etc., these are all automated tags. So you do not have to apply and move people around, or basically move tags around, because just by moving this person to the next column, the tags will automatically change, right? And of course, the sidebar will follow you wherever you go. You can assign tags, remove tags, but it's really useful because whether you are inside a list or a Kanban, if you assign this tag, like for example, for Ritesh, I can just click the 3 dots as a matter of fact, and I can just add this person to a Kanban. Beautiful. Obviously, it's going to add the person to the first one, the first column, and then I can move it around. And there's, I can add multiple people to the Kanban, etc. So this is one easy way to assign tags. Now, the third option is to obviously create your manual tags. And I just want to give you a little bit of inspiration here. So, we started with a typical sales pipeline. So from an idea, prospect, sales qualified lead, future follow-up, etc. Like this is how we've organized our basically tags, sorry. And tags can be public or they can be private. Of course, if you're by yourself inside a workspace, you don't care about this. But if you have a team, maybe certain tags you just want to keep to yourself, right? But this is really up to your organization.